And as Mr. West is saying that, Mr. Estelar Gonzalez is shaking his head side to side. So I'm going to still have an interpreter. He's going to end up paying for the interpreter. Yes, you are. You're going to end up paying for the interpreter. He's shaking his head already.
It's certainly an unusual situation. It sounds like the judge was trying to maintain order and ensure the legal process was followed while dealing with someone who may have been being difficult. Making someone pay for their own interpreter if they're capable and just attempting to manipulate the situation could be seen as a way to ensure fairness. However, it's also important to remember that everyone is entitled to a fair trial, and having a qualified interpreter is crucial for someone who doesn't understand the language of the courtroom. It probably depended on the specifics of the situation and how the judge determined the person's true language abilities. Without the full context and video, it's hard to say definitively whether the judge made the right call or not. What are your thoughts on it?
David Estelar Gonzalez, 25W836-565. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Christopher Shannon, hearing against my client who approaches.
Your name, sir? Your name again?
Shonda Heisley.
All right, you're still under oath.
Judge, I can articulate. In this circumstance, there's a reason why we're asking for the briefs of adjournment. Is my client indicates he actually has a video of his own, which will provide additional information to the prosecution as well as the defense if this matter were to go to trial. I'm asking for the shortest adjournment because it is a dash cam video that he could not provide today. And he wasn't told prior to bring it. I can't speak as to what another attorney did. But this would be the final adjournment with either a plea.
Well, this is just the arraignment first time anyway because we needed an interpreter.
Understood. And I've also encouraged my client to potentially speak to an immigration lawyer. He's not a United States citizen, but he is here legally. But I wanted to be aware of any potential conviction possibilities associated with this case.
Was the victim's vehicle, I don't want to, it's just strange. It says he maliciously damaged the victim's passenger side mirror. Let me call in Mr. West. That's better. Mr. West, can you hear me? If you can, sir, can you come in here, please?
Yes, sir. I'll be right there.
Thank you. So we're going to adjourn it 2 weeks. I will give you the date. Mr. West, your name?
Josh West, on behalf of the people.
All right. Can you enlighten me here? It looks like he allegedly damaged the victim's vehicle that was at the Woodhaven Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor. There was a road rage incident. The victim in this matter drove to the Woodhaven Police Department, and the defendant followed him. And we've got a video that shows him karate kicking the mirror of the victim's vehicle.
Your Honor, the video is not a perfect video. We'd like to see what my client's video might have shown.
You should consult with an immigration lawyer, sir. I'm going to give you a $1,000 personal bond. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. You're not to have any contact with the victim or prosecution witnesses except through your lawyer.
It sounds like you have a strong view on personal responsibility, especially in situations involving anger and vandalism. It's common for people to feel strongly about the importance of self-control and admitting mistakes. These kinds of incidents can definitely raise questions about behavior and accountability.
You cannot possess firearms or dangerous weapons. Also, you have to go over today to get printed and photographed at the Woodhaven Police Department. Today, by noon. So just so you know, Ms. Interpreter, I find it interesting that staff was telling me last time that he didn't need an interpreter. He came in acting like he couldn't speak English. Mr. West comes in.
He's asking for an interpretation.
Go ahead, you can interpret.
La última vez que se lo vimos, parecía que no necesitaba un intérprete.
Mr. West comes in
Y él
and tells me that they have video of the defendant karate kicking the victim's mirror. And as Mr. West is saying that,
después de que él lo dijo,
Mr. Istalar Gonzalez is shaking his head side to side.
moviendo su cabeza como que no,
So I'm going to still have an interpreter.
todavía,
He's going to end up paying for the interpreter.
pero él tiene que pagar.
Yes, you are. You're going to end up paying for the interpreter. He's shaking his head already. You're going to end up,
I need my medication, he said.
what's that have to do with him?
¿Qué tiene que ver eso con eso?
He's paying for the interpreter. He's paying for the
Si
interpreter.
va a pagar por un
We're giving you a new court date in 2 weeks, and that will be on July the 23rd, right, Lisa?
Yes, at 10 o'clock.
At 10 o'clock in the morning.
a las 10 en person.
Thank you, Mr. West.
Thank you.
Is that in person or Zoom?
In person.
Judge, if I could make one inquiry, Mr. Shemke, do you want a discovery order?
No, that won't be necessary.
Okay, all right, thank you, Judge.
And he has to go over today to get printed and photographed at the Woodhaven Police Department.
Tiene que ir el día de hoy para realizar sus huellas y en el departamento de policía de Woodhaven.
Okay?
But I have to go to work.
You're going now.
No, usted tiene que ir.
You're going now.
But I need my medication.
Listen,
Me escuchan.
you're going to the Woodhaven Police Department today. I already said
Policía de Woodhaven.
by, what did I say? You're going by 1 p.m. today, okay? This is not open for debate, okay?
Para discutirlo, su próxima cita.
By 1 p.m. today. If you don't, that's a violation of the bond condition.
Si no vaya.
And if you violate the bond condition, you better bring a lot of money with you to the next court date because I'm going to hold a hearing. And if I determine you didn't go over there today, you're going to end up posting a lot of money or sitting in jail pending the next hearing.
Y si uno no cumple con requisitos de ir al departamento de
You understand what I'm telling you, sir?
y que toman sus huellas, entonces va
He's shaking his head no again.
cancelado por violar ese regla.
You understand what I'm telling you?
But I didn't do anything,
Sir,
señor.
sir,
Señor,
look at me. Look at me.
mírame,
They don't pay me to debate.
no me pagan.
I'm not debating
No
with you.
estoy aquí para disculpar.
You understand what I just said to you?
¿Entiende eso? ¿Entiende lo que
You understand what I just said to you?
Entiendo lo que acabo.
You enjoy the presumption of innocence, but you're not going to ignore orders.
Sí, es inocente que lo probamos por
Period.
pero no puedo dar órdenes aquí.
Good luck. Go over there today or you're going to have a big problem. Thank you.
Gracias.
Thank you, Judge.
That's certainly a common frustration with some legal proceedings. The use of language can definitely be a factor in how cases are perceived. It brings up important questions about how the justice system handles communication barriers, whether they are genuine or perceived.